Hi beautiful, welcome back to another Lita video. I am back with a brand new video for you guys. I have missed uploading, but here I am. I just wanted to start with showing you that I'm using a base coat. I'm going to start with that, and I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds. And yeah, I just wanted you to know that I watched a video by Melisa Rocha. It's Rocha, I believe. This design was created by her. Here I actually applied a coat of matte top coat, and then I cured that for 30 seconds. And as you can see, it's nice and matte. And I guess this is designed so that when you do your strokes, they don't slip as much. And instead of she uses a black paint gel. I did not have one, so I decided to just use what I have. I used the Young Nails Synergy gel, and I thought, let me just try to do this design without any color and see if I can pull it off. I don't have a black gel paint or anything like that, so I thought with this Synergy gel I could still do the strokes, and then I know that chrome adheres to a top coat, so I decided to do a top coat on top of this. But anyways, I will explain. But here I am just doing the strokes in the gel and just going around with this dotting tool until I was happy with it. And then I cured that for about a minute and a half, I would say. And here I am applying a thin layer of top coat over it, and I did realize that I could lose the indentations of the strokes, and it might affect it a little bit, and it did, but the end result was still really pretty. I guess this was just my rendition of the design and me using what I had here at home. But yeah, so I applied the thin coat gel top coat, so no white gel top coat, and I cured that for 30 seconds. And now I will go in with this chrome powder or pigment powder, and then I rub it in really good. Make sure I get it in all in between everything. And yeah guys, this color is so beautiful. I love it. I also had a blue, but I thought this pink chrome would look really pretty. So I rubbed that in really good. And I will now brush it off, or brush the excess off. And then I go in with this oily, it's a building gel in a bottle. And I have to say that this is the part that actually, as you can see, it really makes that effect pop as far as it being 3D. So it'll fill everything in, and then I cure that for, I think it was also a minute and a half. And then I go in one last time with a top coat, a gel top coat, and this will just add that last pop of shine on there. And yeah, and then I go in and I cure that for 30 seconds. And now I will use a lint-free wipe with alcohol to wipe all the edges and clean everything up. And this is the end result. It looks absolutely stunning. It doesn't look the same, but the effect is still there, and it looks really pretty. I still think it's a really nice nail design. So let me know what you guys think. I love it, and here I give you kind of a closer shot of it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for looking out for me and watching my videos, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.